everyone, welcome to our park. I'm Chloe, a member of Torus team. We have many customers contact us online and ask the same question: who are you and how are you produce your machine? So today, instead of sending pictures or brochures, I'm here to introduce you our company and explain how we produce our machines. This is our domestic business division, mainly responsible for the sales in China. This is our overseas business division, mainly responsible for the sales in the United States. This is our international business division, responsible for the global sales. Our company was founded in the 2012. And the following is our company's development history. Welcome to our Torus machineries showroom. This showroom is the first 4S showroom of excavators in China. And in this showroom, we have the excavator from 0.8 ton to the 4 ton. We have the skid steer loaders, mini wheel loaders, and forklifts and dumpers in this showroom. This is our warehouse. After machine finished the production, we will deliver the machine to this warehouse and we will finish the inspection and deliver to our clients. Machines at here are finished the production and waiting for the shipment. These excavators will ship to our warehouse in Italy. We will ship many containers to our Italy warehouse to make sure they have enough stock in the warehouse. This is our production facility, where design, manufacturing, and assembly are completed in-house. Everything starts with raw steel materials. We don't buy pre-made frames. Instead, we process the steel ourselves, based on the machine's model and working requirements. After cutting, the parts move to welding. This step is critical because it directly affects strength, stability, and service life. Our welding process follows fixed standards, and each key structure is checked before moving to the next stage. This is our production line for the mini excavator, and you can see our workers are assembling the excavator right now. You can see this is the hydraulic components and the engines or some electrical parts. Our staff will assemble it very carefully to make sure the excavator with a good quality. And we have many customers, especially for the first-time buyers. They're very concerned about the quality, so that's why we make sure every step is visible and traceable. We also support customizations of our machines, just like the color and the logo. You can see the excavators are with the red color customized by our clients. After we finish the production, every machine needs to pass the inspection. We will check the assembly accuracy, check the operating performance and overall quality. So that's why we will give the confidence to our clients, and this will reduce many problems after the clients receive the excavator. Now you can see our workers load the excavator into the container. They will fix the excavator into the container, and you can see this is the toolbox. We will give you a free toolbox and together with the excavator. From my experience working with clients, price is important, but the reliability and communications matter even more. Customers choose us because we can provide a clear information, stable quality, and the overall practical solutions based on their needs. Whether you're looking for one machine or looking for a long-term cooperation, we focus on building a good cooperation, not just closing a deal. I hope this video gives you a clear understanding of who we are and how we work. If you have any questions about our machines, configurations, or delivery, feel free to contact us. I'll be happy to assist you.